Hello Jim, Techbo's new product in for review, and this time we're going to unbox the Vacos baby monitor. So you can use this for monitoring your child, or pets indeed, or elderly people as well, as you can use these in that scenario as well. It's quite handy. I know plenty of people who do, and it's suggested as well, so it's a handy piece of kit to have regardless. So this is a two-piece kit. You get a camera and you get this little screen here as well. So let's have a look at what's involved here. So you've got HD 720p, 1.52 zoom, support local storage, so you need a SD card. You've got comfortable nullifiers, 2.4 GHz FHSS, 4000 mAh battery, temperature detection, sound detection, up to 1000 feet range with two devices, high night vision boost, 355 and 55 pan and tilt, and two-way audio. And on this side here, you have got auto screen off, 24/7 pickup, multi-camera cycling, video playback, smart alerts, and quick and easy setup. Now, as far as I know, there's no app required for this, so this is what's going to be in the box, which we're going to have a look at now. So let's open up and see what's inside. And we have got this here, our little box of accessories here. And we've got the camera and the tablets. So we'll just pop them to one side and see what's in here first of all. Okay. So in here we have got all our plugs and cables. So you've got a sticker there, which is cool. And let's open it up and see what is inside exactly. Lots of little bits and pieces. Right, so you've got your user guide, you've got a sticker, you've got your cable here, which is USB-C, USB-A, and the same again, which is nice. You've got a mounting bracket here for the camera, two plugs, and some little decorations, and of course some screws if you want to fix it permanently. So that's the contents of that. Then we have this little screen here. Or monitor, whichever way you want to call it. So charge the monitor for 6 to 7 hours when using it for the first time. Please remove protective film, all that stuff there. So you've got some button controls here, navigation key here. You've got an aerial up on top, charging there, and you've got an SD card option at the back and a little stand as well. So you just pop it like that, which is cool. So that's that. And onto the camera. So here's the camera here. So you've got a little aerial on the back here, and you've got another one here. You've got your reset pair button and your charging port there, and you can also put it on a mount as well, or you can fix it permanently. It's up to yourself. And what's this little guy here? Yeah, these are the decorations you can get to stick on top that we showed earlier on. They just swap out. So this does rotate 355 degrees, as you can see there. And what we'll do is, when we get it all set up, and I'll show all that as well. And that's just basically just give you a quick look at what to expect if you want to pick this up. So you can see it in hands here. And stay tuned for a full review soon on techbuzzlearn.com when we show you how it works and all the features and all that kind of stuff. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask as usual, and we'll gladly answer it down below in the comment section. And that's it for now. So that's it. Nice little setup there. So if you're considering looking for something similar, check this out. It's a nice small kit, and it's pretty simple to set up and use apparently. So we'll be back with all that, with a full review, show you all this working and all the stuff and the controls and all that kind of gear when we get things going. And stay tuned for that review soon. We'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.